Hello everyone. I'm going to quickly go through a cost volume profit analysis demonstration for you. In front of you in yellow is the problem at hand. Gabelli Aircraft Parts reported the following information for the month of March. You have the information in front of you. The company is predicting an increase in sales of 50% for the month of April 2000. Calculate the projected operating for the month of April. Okay, I see a typo. Let me fix that real quickly. That looks better. So what we need to do here is use CVP analysis to make some predictions. Now, I'm going to copy the information we have right here onto an area of our screen to show you how I would solve this with Excel. So there we have the information from above. Now, we know that sales are going to increase by 50%. So I would take the sales number times, and I'm going to do this sort of a long way. You can see what I'm doing. Take the value in B13 times 1 plus a 50% increase. Now, we can use that same approach for variable costs, since variable costs behave the same way as sales. They dollar for dollar increase. So I'm simply going to copy from above. If we look at that formula there, I'll hit the F2 key. We take the value in cell B14 and increase it by a 50% increase. Now, fixed costs don't behave that way. They don't vary over a relative range, so it remains at 10,000. And here we have the formula. We can copy that over. A little bit of formatting. Our answer is $11,000. Okay, that's all we need to do to solve this one. Costs that increase on a dollar for dollar basis would include the sales and the variable costs. Fixed costs would remain the same. And here we've done a very quick analysis to show how CVP analysis can help you make some predictions over different time horizons. Thank you, everyone.